I had a subscriber email me, question me about, he had saw the video I did on making leather pendants. And this bolo tie was in the video, and he was curious how I'd done the slide on the back. So I told him I'd do a quick video and give y'all an idea how I do that. So you can see on both these, they're the same on the back. And this braided leather cord I got off Amazon, and it's 5 millimeters in diameter. And that's the size that this particular piece of leather slide that I use to make this slide will adapt to quite well. You'll need a little piece of leather. This is, I think this is 2-3, but the ones that are on here are 4 or 5 ounce, and they work pretty good. You also need a Chicago screw, the male and female ends of a Chicago screw. And this one, the length on it is about 8 millimeters. And I got those, I think I got those from Steck Store. You can get them from Tandy, you can get them from Buckle Guy, Weaver Leather, lots of different places. Now this little leather piece that I use is just, let's see how what size it is. Got our Berry King magnetic screwdriver sticking to everything. Alright, so it's about 72 millimeters long and 25 millimeters wide. We've got a hole on each end that's about 7 millimeters in, and somewhere around 3 millimeters in diameter, with a hole in the center as well. I'll sketch a little diagram and put it up in the corner here for you, so you'll have those dimensions. Now I think the best way to do this, let's get this one out of the way, will work. It all started with this video that I did on creating these bezels, these leather bezels to mount stones in. And I'll put a link to the video that I did on that, on how to create those, in the description. So we're just going to concentrate on these little slides here right now in this video. So let's take this apart and just loosen the Chicago screw, and this opens up. You can see how that's put together. And you take this off. Now this is the heart of it. This Chicago screw is embedded in the leather, the back panel of the concho, so that you can mount your leather strip on there. Now you'll have to do that. This is glued together, this is laminated, and you'll have to put that Chicago screw, the female end of the Chicago screw, in underneath this panel before you glue it up. And also be sure to glue around the head of the Chicago screw, so that when you go to twist, you're not spinning that piece and it'll tighten up. I usually take and grind that end of the Chicago screw flat so that it'll have a good surface to stick to when I use my contact cement under there. So then, once you cut this piece out and punch the holes, I just use a Harbor Freight hole punch to punch those. Then you can put your leather piece in the center. Take your braided leather, put it on either side, and just fold over so that it lines up with your screw. Fold the other side over, get those to match up. Put your male end into the Chicago screw, and hope everything's lined up so that it'll tighten up. I need a bigger screwdriver. I think I heard it pop into place there. Yeah, it's tightening up now. Now, something you can do on this screw, you can put a little dab of Loctite, blue Loctite. So number 242, I believe. And you just want to use a little teeny bit, and that way it'll hold that screw in place, and you don't have to worry about it wandering around or coming loose. But you can adjust the tension of the slide by tightening and loosening the screw. If you want it to be tighter, just crank down on it more. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's how I do these slides for the bolo ties. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more of this type stuff, please subscribe, leave a like, and I appreciate you watching.